everybody, Danny here. Hey, I tell you what, why don't we go over and use a scrubby part of a sponge and put some foliage in for trees in the foreground. I'll meet you at the easel. All right, here we go. Let's put some trees in a little closer. We're going to start out by putting in some light pink like this, just like that, okay? And then we're going to darken it in areas like this. I'm just using the scrubby part of an old sponge, okay? We're just going to darken it down like that, okay? And then we're going to get some kind of shadowy color and put in about here. We got to have a balance, okay? And I think we're getting the balance. Don't you? Okay. This is a quick, neat way to paint trees, just like that. How the heck is that? Okay. Let's see. We got one over here, whether we wanted it or not. It's there. Snuck right in on us. And I'm tapping. I'm not scrubbing. I'm tapping. And there is the other tree. Right there. Just like that. We put a little bit of this dark in here, like that. Okay. We have our trees kind of situated in, just like that. So be with me tomorrow, and we'll do a little bit more work on those trees, and we'll start working here in the foreground, okay? Thank you for being here today. I do appreciate you very much. I love you. Ann loves you, and we wish you the best day that you can possibly have. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link so you get all notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. By golly, those look pretty good. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll do some more work on them. And in the meantime, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.